Welcome, dear viewers, to a special video of our channel dedicated to exploring the life and achievements of one of the most influential visionaries of our time, Elon Musk. From his early days as a determined entrepreneur to his groundbreaking contributions in various industries, we embark on a captivating journey through the life of Elon Musk. So, join us as we delve into the extraordinary story of this visionary innovator. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From an early age, his passion for technology and innovation was evident. Musk's entrepreneurial spirit started to take shape during his childhood, as he sold his own creations, such as video games and computer code. Musk's educational journey began at Pretoria Boys High School, where he showed exceptional aptitude in mathematics and computer science. At the age of 17, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University before transferring to the University of Pennsylvania to study physics and economics. After completing his studies, Musk embarked on a path that would revolutionize several industries. He co-founded Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers, which achieved significant success and eventually led to a lucrative acquisition. Building upon his entrepreneurial accomplishments, Musk went on to co-found an online payment company. This venture later transformed into the globally recognized company we know today as PayPal, revolutionizing the way online transactions are conducted. With his sights set on exploring new frontiers, Musk ventured into the world of space exploration. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, with the ambitious goal of making space travel more accessible and affordable. SpaceX made history in 2008 by becoming the first privately funded company to send a liquid-fueled rocket into orbit. Musk's dedication to sustainability and renewable energy led him to co-found Tesla Motors in 2003 with the aim of accelerating the transition to electric vehicles. Tesla's innovative designs and advancements in battery technology have played a significant role in reshaping the automotive industry. Musk's relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries didn't stop there. He founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company, with the mission of merging artificial intelligence with the human brain to enhance cognitive abilities. Additionally, he initiated the Boring Company to revolutionize tunneling and transportation systems. Beyond his groundbreaking ventures, Musk has made significant contributions to renewable energy through SolarCity, now a part of Tesla, and has been an advocate for combating climate change. His advocacy has sparked global conversations and inspired other companies and individuals to prioritize sustainability. While Elon Musk's professional accomplishments are undeniably remarkable, his personal life has also been subject to public interest. He has been married multiple times and has 5 children. Musk's high-profile relationships, combined with his charismatic personality, have further fueled the intrigue surrounding his life. Elon Musk's contributions and achievements have left an indelible impact on various industries, reshaping the future of transportation, space exploration, and sustainable energy. His relentless pursuit of ambitious goals, coupled with his ability to inspire and lead teams, has propelled humanity towards a new era of technological advancement. As we reflect on the life and legacy of Elon Musk, let us be inspired by his fearlessness in challenging conventional thinking and his unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of human innovation. Join us in our next video as we continue to celebrate the extraordinary lives and legacies of those who have shaped our world.